National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for north central Christian County, southern Logan County, northeastern Salem County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Edinburgh, or 8 miles north of Taylorville, and moving north at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Albert, Mechanicsburg, Illiopolis, Cornland, Latham, Mount Pulaski, Elkhart, Lodi, Buffalo, and Dawson.
What was the other two places? You are listening.